There's a nest, he said.
You see the fur here? There's like this of fur.
Yeah, you can open.
Oh, don't stay. Sometimes we do that and they go and then bang in the head.
No. Open it.
But come and see the size. It's like,
There's nothing.
it's hard to open.
Wala.
You see?
Huh? Really? Can I make picture?
Be careful, maybe he's in. He's in or not?
No.
Can you make me up?
Ito.
Oh, that's a good one.
Ria.
No, I know. The eggs
Napa.
is not now. It's 3 months.
Ah, okay.
He's taking the food now and he's trying to make his nest.
Ito.
Yahoo!
We put the bird's nest here. We feed also in our garden, so Gugu can check it if there is a bird nest. And Paddy will check. Yeah, but they have
Yeah, this one is too hard to.
huh?
I cannot.
Ça va?
I
C'est
cannot
pas.
take it. But there's nothing. There's nothing.
Huh?
Nothing. But it's too
okay.
early. It's normal.
Paddy is looking.
They start doing their nests. They start doing their nest in like 2 months. And he
Okay.
already did his nest.
He's the king. This is our view. We are on the top. That's the Gare de Saint-Jove. Abibidwa, Gare de Bibidwa. Sunset is nice here. Look the sunset. Our view is beautiful, guys. With Paddy. Hey. Yeah, Paddy. Kissing me.
Here the house is beautiful.
Ah, yeah, the house is beautiful. My view is beautiful too.
The house from here
Oh,
is
the
beautiful.
sunset is there. Yes. The house on the top of the Shinjak. Voilà. Again, Paddy. Behind Paddy. Voilà, Paddy. Shong. Hop, kisi. Laba, kisi. Ah, dyan sa kabila pumunta. Gusto niya yung view. Oh. Paddy up. Kisi. Where you going? Happy see. Paddy. Nice. We are nice sunset. Today is sunny. Paddy. Elle est jouée. Paddy. Really nice view, guys. Hello guys! If you are new in my channel, please like and share and subscribe. Dang PTV! Hello! Mwah, mwah. Likes all my video guys.